What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex, and I'm still here over there in Huntsville State Park. And on the previous video I rode 2 trails for the first time ever. So this video I'm gonna ride them again, but backwards, and hopefully get more downhill than on the way in. So for now, just go ahead and sit back, enjoy the music, relax, subscribe while you're doing that, support this channel, buy me a cup of coffee if you want to, and let's ride. By the way, I'm gonna be hitting the Chipaquil Trail, I think is the name, and then Colonel Trail. I just want to give a huge shout out to my friends, content creators from YouTube. Huge shout out to Wolftick Videos, Jeremiah and the Wolfman. How you doing today, guys? Huge shout out to Chicken Sandy's. What's up, my man? Shout out to the captain. What up, brother? Shout out to Berserker. How's it going? Who else? I hope I'm not missing anybody. Dr. Frankenstein. I've been seeing some of your videos. I like that you got the black gum like I do, man. Who else? The Chad? No. What's the name? You have a Cascade. I think it's the Chad. You have a Cascade 4 as well. The green one. How's it going, my man? I know there's more. Lost Trail. You've been in my channel since the beginning. How's it going? My friend back in Mexico, Tex-Mex. Saludos, carnal. Who else? All my subscribers, everybody who's been commenting since almost the beginning. It's been about a year since I started making these biking videos. You shout out, guys. Oh yeah, how can I forget about my brother Evan's MTV Saga? What's up, brother? I knew I was missing somebody. By the way, the order of mention is irrelevant. Huge shout out to each one of you guys. Keep making content, keep entertaining us. I will try to do the same for you guys and everybody else as well. There's another new one coming along, MTV Matte. Almost lost it on that sand downhill. Whoa! Damn, that sand. Going uphill a little bit. Still climbing. This is good for the lungs. Woo! And more climbing, come on. Forgot my mountain bike shoes. These are my running shoes. They're getting stuck in there on the pedals. But It's gonna destroy the soles. Road nearby. Must be pretty close to the map section. And let's see the name. Chinquapin Trail. Chinquapin Trail. And I'm gonna go back to Colone Trail. Then back to campsite. Let's keep riding. Almost 5 miles in on a unknown terrain. 45 minutes. A lot of climbing. Totally different from back home. I think I'm gonna get a break on the road over here because it's a descent. Nice. Colone. Nah. Something like that. That's where I'm going. Might not go inside. Well, this wasn't that bad, about 16 minutes. Not too shabby. I didn't go into the Colonel because it was gonna be like just climbing. Done with that. Let me stop for a second. Oh wow. So if you enjoyed this ride, you should give it a thumbs up. If you want to support this channel, there's a link down in the description. Again, huge shout out to all the YouTube content creators that are in the same business over here. Hope you guys keep growing. Hopefully we can all meet soon somewhere and ride together. Other than that, that is it for this one, guys. And I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.